Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add borders around your cutouts on the CapCut PC app. So for instance, you have this video right here and you kind of want to add a border around this guy. I'm just going to copy and paste it real quick so we still have the background. So simply go to cutout and select auto cutout, and these will appear like these strokes. You have this one, that one, straight, solid, offset, and like dotted ones as well. So select the one that you want, and you can also change the color if you'd like to, like so. And you can have more than one. For instance, you want like both. Let me like select these first, and let me just adjust the size. You want both the solid and the dotted, so just copy and paste it and select the dotted one, and as you can see, you'll have more than one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!